Follow the footsteps of a factory coming alive. CoreWorks, where production begins. Scanning sequence stable. Begin texture export for batch 1.
Batch 4 confirmed. Keep the spacing tight. No collisions on the rail.
Clean extraction, no defects detected in batch 6.
Spacing confirmed. Keep the rows perfectly aligned. Alignment smooth. Run it through again if you see loose fibers.
Pattern locked. Begin surface scoring for batch 7.
Sorting complete. Move trays 5 and 6 to the stitching floor.
Keep those seams tight, we can't have loose stitching today. Slow down on the corners, don't let the fur twist when you stitch it. Make sure those edges stay smooth. We're sending this batch to assembly next. This one's clean. Stack it with batch 18. Keep the flow moving. Line 3 is running light. Send more handbag panels this way. Match these with batch 22. Make sure the sizes line up. Keep these snaps centered. If they shift, redo the whole piece. Don't rush these corners. One bad stitch ruins the whole piece.
Hold that panel steady. We need a jacket body cut clean.
Hold that panel steady. We need the jacket body cut clean.
Match left and right sleeves. Make sure the fur direction stays the same.
Keep those front panels tight, no gaps between the seams.
Push the back in evenly. We need a clean body shape.
Hold that seam straight. Shoulders have to carry the whole jacket.
Keep the lining flat. No wrinkles. This has to feel premium.
Lift the body shell up. I need the shoulder higher for this seam.
Lift the body shell. I need the shoulder higher for this seam.
Line the center seam perfectly. If the zipper's crooked, the whole jacket fails.
Hold the lower end tight. Keep the zipper straight all the way down. Hold the lower end tight. Keep the zipper straight all the way down.
Keep the collar steady. If it twists, the neckline won't sit right.
Hold it steady. I need to check the fall of the shoulders.
Step inside and witness production awakening. CoreWorks, forged in steel and precision.